Coconut oil for weight loss is the far better choice. One key to successful and lasting weight loss is to ensure steady blood sugar so that any extreme ups and downs are avoided and don't cause you to fall off the wagon and make a beeline for the junk food aisle at the supermarket or the jumbo bag of chips in your pantry. Hi friends, I'm Ivy. Please subscribe to my channel. And please press the bell icon for regular update. And share it with your friends, maybe it will help him. How to best steady the blood sugar over long periods of time and between meals. With healthy, satiating, nourishing fats, of course. Coconut oil for weight loss is the optimal fat to choose for this purpose, with organic virgin coconut oil considered the best of the best. This is due to the plethora of healthy medium-chain saturated fatty acids, MCT oil, that boost metabolism for immediate energy. As a bonus, the MCTs in coconut oil don't end up as stored body fat like longer-chain fatty acids sometimes can. Countries that consume high amounts of coconut and coconut oil in their diets, such as the Philippines, India, and the Pacific Islands, have significantly fewer cases of heart disease and obesity, clearly disproving any agenda-driven smear campaign against this marvelously healthy oil. Supermodels are already onto the coconut oil for weight loss secret. Australian supermodel Miranda Kerr has been using coconut oil for years to maintain her enviable figure and won't go anywhere without it. Using coconut oil to lose weight better than olive oil. Olive oil in particular should be limited or avoided entirely by those wishing to lose weight. This is surprising to many people, as olive oil is typically the first healthy oil that they think of due to heavy promotion of this Mediterranean oil by conventional doctors and nutritionists. In fact, a 1994 study published in The Lancet noted that the fatty acid most predominantly found in body fat was monounsaturated fat, like that found in high amounts in olive oil. Could this be why those in Mediterranean countries so often gain weight at middle age? When choosing a fat to speed up weight loss, then, limit the use of olive oil and other predominantly monounsaturated fats like peanut oil. Be sure to avoid canola oil. How to use coconut oil for weight loss. Coconut oil naturally solidifies at 76 F/24 C, so it is best to liquefy it in hot water before consuming as a weight loss aid. 20 minutes before mealtime is the best time to take your coconut oil, as it will significantly reduce appetite and help you to feel full more quickly and be satisfied with smaller portions. To liquefy, mix 1-2 TBL of coconut oil in a mug and add hot water, bone broth or herbal tea, not bulletproof coffee. Stir to melt and drink. Use the following guidelines to determine how much oil to consume before each meal. 90 to 130 pounds, use 1 TBL coconut oil before each meal for a total of 3 TBL per day. 131 to 180 pounds, use 1.5 TBL coconut oil before each meal for a total of 4.5 TBL per day. Over 180 pounds, use 2 TBL coconut oil before each meal for a total of 6 TBL per day. Alternatively, you can simply eat the coconut oil and let it liquefy in your mouth for a few seconds before swallowing. If you find that the coconut oil makes you a bit queasy at first, try using herbal bitters. This brand is excellent, as an inexpensive remedy to help your liver and gallbladder adjust. Best coconut oil for weight loss. Be aware that not all coconut oil is created equal for weight loss purposes. While coconut oil is very resistant to heat damage, solvents are frequently used to extract it, so sourcing high-quality oil from a reputable company is of paramount importance to avoid any chemical residues. Using only organic virgin coconut oil therapeutically for your weight loss efforts is a good idea, as all the delicate micronutrients in the oil will be preserved and no chemicals will have been used in processing. Thanks to all of you who are watching me. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel. And please stay tuned for more.